Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'll start the session in next 3-4 minutes. Only 9 people have joined, so I'll wait for some more time. Okay, let me start. If people are not joining, we cannot do anything. So today's topic, primarily in the first half, would be not first half. First half an hour would be Venn diagrams. So in if um, we have a question like this. So suppose we have a question like this that in a class 25 people play cricket and 35 people play hockey and 10 play both of them. If every student play at least one game, what is the strength of the class? Okay, I'm giving you some time to solve it, even though I have not taught it. Let me check how many of you know it already. Okay, so a lot of you are giving me answer 50. I'll still wait. A lot of people have not joined. Okay, try to understand. I'm solving it with Venn diagram method. And what do I mean by Venn diagram method? Venn diagram is nothing but combination of circles. And I draw circle for all the variables. Here variables are, first variable is cricket, and second variable I have is hockey. So I draw two circles because I have only two sports, two variables. So I draw two circles. These circles are cricket and hockey. So try to understand, I can draw two circles separately. I can draw two circles overlapping on each other. So something like this, one blue and one red, something like this. Or I can draw two circles intersecting with each other. In Venn diagrams, generally we draw circles intersecting with each other, and then depending on the question, we try to find out whether it is overlapping or whether it is separated. So this I am assuming to be cricket, and this one I am assuming to be hockey. Now complete red circle is cricket and complete blue circle is hockey. But there is one part over here which is part of both blue and red, and this is what here it has been talked about, that 10 people play both of them. So this area is 10. Now out of cricket I have already, this area represents 10 people and total 25 people are here. So this area would be 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15. And this complete blue is 35, so this area is 35 minus 10, that is equal to 25. So when I draw two intersecting circles, this is divided into two parts. Let me show you once again here. When I draw two intersecting circles, I have three parts: A, B, C. B is common to both of them. A is only, suppose this is x variable and y variable, so A is only x, B is only y, and C is both x and y. So to find out only x, what I'll do is, if x has been given completely, I'll do x minus b would be only x, and y minus b would be equal to, only x is what, A, and y minus b would be equal to only y. So uh, this is C. So that is what I have been doing here. 25 minus 10 is equal to 15, which is only cricket, and 35 minus 10 is equal to 25, which is only hockey. So how do I get answer? How many total? Only cricket is 15, both cricket and hockey is 10, and only hockey is 25. If I add all of them, I get 50. So that's my answer. So now try to understand, if I take three variables, what happens? So three variables are, suppose this is x, this is y, and this is z. So suppose this area I'm assuming A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, this is Z. So A is only X, C is only Y, D is only Z, then B is X and Y but not Z. E is Y and Z but no X. F is X and Z but no Y. And G is all X, Y, and Z. So this is how you identify different areas. So depending on this particular concept, I'm giving you one question. Please solve that question. Try to understand. First question, a lot of you are giving me answer E. Study the following figure carefully and answer the question given below. The rectangle represents, this is rectangle which represents our artists. So this is artist rectangle, and the circle represents players and the triangle represents doctors. How many artists are neither player nor doctors? So try to understand how many artists are neither player nor doctors. It means that player is what? Try to understand. Player is circle and doctor is triangle. So it means number which is part of rectangle but not of either circle or triangle. So look at here. In rectangle, I have four numbers 30, 22, 3, and 8. So only 30 is the number which is neither part of circle nor part of triangle. It means that how many artists are neither player nor doctor? The answer should have been 30. Hence, the answer here would be none of these. So answer here is none of these. Okay, let me go to another question. Okay, let me reduce it a little bit. What I'm doing is, this may not be clear. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing this file with you on the group. The file has been shared with you on the WhatsApp group. You can refer the question from there. The file has been shared on WhatsApp group. You can refer the question from there. Or you make this question in your copy and then answer the questions. Now I am asking answer for only question number 2. So give answer only for question number 2. So second question is, how many doctors are neither players nor artists? It means that part of triangle which is not included in rectangle and circle. So in triangle I have four numbers: 27, 8, 3 and 4. Only 27 is that number which is not part of rectangle and circle. So answer here would be 20. Answer here would be 27. So answer is what? 27. Now third question is what? Third question is, how many doctors are both players and artists? It means that I have to find out which is common to all three of them. Common to all three of them, if you look at here, the answer is 3. So A option is there. Question number 4, how many artists are players? It means that I am asking for artists who are players. So artists who are player are 22 plus 20, 22 plus 3, 25. So for question number 4, answer would be C, 25. You may ask how artist and player, this 3 which is here is also part of artist and player. I have to find out how many of how many, question number 4, how many artists are player. You see here between artist and player 22 are common, but these 3 artists and player who are doctors, they are artist and player also. That's why I'm adding 22 plus 3 and answer is 25. Now solve these questions. 4 answer is C, not D. I'll solve first question for you. In question below, equations have become wrong due to wrong ordering of signs. Choose the correct order of sign from the 5 alternatives given under each question so that equation becomes right. Write in your answer sheet against corresponding question number. So try to understand this kind of question. I simply prefer changing it. Like for that matter, I will put first option, so equal to 2 minus 7 plus 10. So how much is this? 5 is equal to minus 5 plus 10. So 5 is equal to 5. I got this answer. First answer is A. So just change it likewise and solve it. There is no other rocket science involved in these kind of questions. Question number 6 and 7, just solve it. Question number 6. So what I can do in question number 6 is I divide 14 by 7 is equal to 7 minus 9. This gives me 2 and this gives me minus 2. So option A is not answer. 14 divided by 7 plus 7 equal to 9. So by BODMAS, I will first do division. So 14 by 7 is 2 and 2 plus 7 is 9, and which is equal to this 9. So option B is my answer. So in question number 7, option B is my answer. Question number, sorry, I didn't solve question number 6. Let me solve question number 6 for you. 2 equal to 1 plus 2 divided by 2. This looks correct to me because this is 2. 1, 2 divided by 2 is 2. So question number 6 is A, question number 7 is B. So these two questions we have solved. Let me move to other questions. Solve question number 8 and 9. Okay, so a lot of you are saying me 8 is C. Let me directly check C. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 13 minus 9. That is correct. This is 4. This is 4. So C is the option. D, it would be 7. Let me check option A for 9. So 7 is equal to 2 plus 6 into 20. That is so incorrect. So A is not answer. 7 into 2 is equal to 6 into 20 is not at all an answer. So B is not an answer. 7 into 2 is equal to 6 plus 20. This is also not an option. 7 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 20 is option. So option D is an answer here. So for question number 9, D is option. Okay, let me move to another questions. Question 10, question 11. Okay, question number, I am getting question for 10, 11, 12 all. Question number 10, E is simple because you divide here and you subtract here, both the side you get 1. So question number 10 is E. Question number 11. Question number 11 is, what do I need? I need Okay, so 8 divided by 4 would be 2 and minus 8 plus 10 would be 2. So divided by equal to, and do I have it? Divided by equal to and plus is not there. So that is not coming. So 8 divided by, oh, and negative can be converted to plus. So A is answer here. So this is 2 plus 8 is 10. So option A is answer here. And then in option, this is so very easy. 6 into 3 into 6 into 3 plus 2. So it would be into plus and equal to. So 12 option is also A. So these are the answers for question number. These are the answer for question number 10, 11, and 12. Let's do it for 13, 14. Okay, 13, 14, 15. I am getting the answer. So question number 13 is, I know that this should be divided and this should be plus. So division plus and equal to this. This should be the sign. 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 plus 10 is 13. So B is answer. 11. Um, 11 minus 1 is equal to 11 minus 1 is equal to 5 into 2. So this is B option. Now this is what, so this is very clear. 4 plus 8 is equal to 21 minus 9. So option A is answer. So these are the answers. Solve 16, 17, 18. Okay, a lot of people have started giving answer. Let me solve. So question number 16. Question number 16, I know 7 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 1. Do I have something plus equal to plus? I don't have anything like this. So I'll have to search for any other this thing. So 7 plus 2 minus 8 is equal to 1. So 16A is answer. So there is no doubt about it. Question number 17. So question number 17 is 5 into 4 is 20 equal to 1 minus 1. A is not answer. 5 plus 4 is 9 into 1 is equal to 1, not answer. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 into 1, 17C is answer. So I write 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 into 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Question number 18. 2 is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 4. A is not an option. 2 is equal to 6 minus 4 plus 4 is not an option. So B is not an option. 2 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 4. This is also not an option. D is 2 is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 4. This is also not an option. So A, B, C, D are not option. E has to be an option because there is no none of these. So let me remove this and then let me go to option E. It tells me that option E is 2 plus 6 is equal to 4 plus 4. This is an answer. Solve 19 and 20. Okay, so 19 and 20, I've got many answers. Let me check it for you. So question number 19, let me check first option. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 10 minus 6 is not an answer. 9 plus 7 is 16, 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 into 7 is 63, so this can never be answered. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 into 7 minus 10, so that becomes 53 is not equal to 6, that is not an answer. 9 plus 7 is 16, minus 10 is equal to 6, so that is an answer. So 9 plus 7 minus 10 is equal to 6. Option D is an answer. Let me go to question number 20. Question number 20 tells me that 3 plus 3. I think it should be 3 plus 3. 3 into 3 minus 3. So into minus equal to 20C has to be answer. So this is 20C. Is there any more question left out here? How many questions I have? Last two questions, 21 and 22. 21 is 8. It should be 8 by 2 plus 7. So 8 by 2 plus 7. So 21B should be answer. Why? Because 8 by 2 is 4 and 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So division plus equal to is 21B. And 21C should be 1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2 is wrong. 22A, 1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2. So 22A is wrong. Why everyone is giving 22A answer? 1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. That is not equal to 8. Am I doing something wrong? Let me check 22B. 1 into 7 minus 3 is equal to 2. No, that is wrong. Oh, I'm not applying BODMAS there. I'm sorry. So 1 is equal to 7 minus 3 into 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. 22A is answer. My fault. My bad. 22A is answer. Okay, I got it. Okay, so now let's move to syllogisms. So in syllogisms, what happens is just be moment. Okay, so what happens is what I'm going to teach is so if I talk about what it actually is, this is actually statement, conclusion, using logic and Venn diagrams. So what happens here is that I have few statements given in front of me, and from those statements I try to find some kind of conclusion. For an example, this can be understood by few examples, something like this. Let me take one example. So my statement, first statement is no air is solid, and statement 2 is some solids are liquids. So I have answers, answer statements, and I have to find which statement is correct. So what I do is my answer statement is like this: no liquid is air and some airs are definitely not definitely liquids. So these are my problem statements and these are my answer statements. You have to find out your answer is or your options are only one is correct. Option A, option B is two is correct. Option C is both one and two correct. And option D is none of them are correct. So how do you solve these kind of questions? So try to understand no liquid is air. So look at here, no liquid is air means, let me draw Venn diagrams for you. This is air, and if no liquid is air, it means that liquid has to be separated from air. There is no touch between liquid and air. Some air are uh, definitely not liquids. It means that some air are definitely not liquids. So try to understand. Oh, I'm reading only answer statement. Some solids are liquids. So let me make solids. And some solids are liquid means there is some interaction between them. A portion of solids would not be liquid, a portion of liquids would not be solid. So these are the three Venn diagrams for three different variables, which are air, liquid, and solid. Now let me go to answer statement. No liquid is air. No liquid is air is definitely correct. There is uh, no clear cut touch between them. And second statement is some airs are definitely not liquids. So it means that if some airs are no air is liquid, some air would definitely be not liquid. So this also follows. So option C, both 1 and 2 follow in this case. Let me define another question for you. Problem statements are statement 1, all gems are diamonds. All gems are diamonds. Problem statement 2 is all gems are rocks. Sorry, all diamonds are rocks. And answer statement is, or you can say conclusion statement is, at least first statement, at least some rocks are gems. And option B is all gems are rocks. Again, your option is A correct, B correct, both correct, both correct, and both wrong. So how do you solve this question? Let me draw Venn diagrams for you. All gems are diamonds. So all gems are diamonds. It means that first I have to draw diamonds. So this is diamonds. And all gems are diamonds means gems will come inside the diamonds. So these are gems. Now what has been told? All diamonds are rocks. So I will draw a third circle from here, and this third circle is for rocks. So now let me go to the problem statement. At least some rocks are gems. Obviously, some rocks are gems because gems are coming inside the rocks. All diamonds are rocks. Yes, diamond circle is inside the rock circle. So what is the answer? Both A and B are correct. So likewise, you can solve questions like this. Try one or two questions. We will solve another questions and then you will understand it. So try to solve first question. Read the question and then try to answer. Is screen not clear to all of you? I don't think screen is not clear because people are giving me answers. Okay, I'm getting a lot of answers for question number A. Let me make it. Some gears are wheels, and all wheels are brakes. All wheels are brakes means okay. Let me draw it with different color. So something like this. So all wheels are brakes. So these are brakes and these are wheels. And I have third option, some gears are wheels. So I will draw like this. These are gears. No brake is gear is wrong. At least some gears are brakes. Yes, there is an this is brake and this is gear. There is a interaction here. So at least some gears are brake is the logical conclusion that follows from here. So let me go to question B. No month is a year. So this is month and this is year. And no year is second. So again, third 1 second, all three. So all months are second? No, cannot be told. So no month, no second is month? Yes, this can be told. So logical conclusion is B. So second one is B. Let's go to third and fourth. Okay, question 3, I'm getting a lot of answers. Question 4, I'm getting a lot of answers. So let me just go to question number 3. No plane is hill. No plane is hill means this is plane and this is hill. And I have some hills are towns. So this is town. Conclusion, no town is plain is correct. So this is correct. Some towns are plains. Uh, Try to understand. This is plain, this is hill, this is town. Some towns are plain. Is it possible? It is possible in this case. This is plain, this is town, and this is hill. So town is both, some part of town is hill and some part of town is plain. So in this scenario, this is possible. So answer would be both A and B follows. Now all metals are liquids and all liquids are gases. So all metals are liquid. So this is metal. And then let me draw liquid, and all liquids are gases. So let me draw gases. So this one is gas. This one is liquid. And the inner one is metal. So what should follow? So all metals are gases. So all metals are gases is correct. At least some gases are liquid. Yes, at least some gases are liquid. So B is also correct. So if A and B is correct, there is one option for both that both A and B follows. So here also the option would be D. So this is the answer. Okay, you guys are asking in month and second question, why did I could have applied that logic? Perhaps that I missed that logic. So it doesn't mean that cannot be. If the month and second question I remember, try to understand. The month and second question was this was month, no month is year, and why I didn't apply in month and year question, it was no month is year and no year is second. This was the question. So it try to understand, this is month, this is year, and this is second. There cannot be any overlapping, or there cannot be any intersection of any three of them. Here the question is different. The first one is complete negative. The second one is some hills are town. That's why I'm assuming interaction in these cases, and that's why answer is different here. So in case of month and year, you cannot write like this, that this is month, this is second, and this is year. All three has to be different. That is why I because the language of the question was different, that's why I uh, uh, made all three circles different. Here the language of the second statement is, here the language of the second statement is um, something else. That's why I'm assuming it. Why third A cannot be this thing? um, Try to understand. No plane is hill, so this is plane and this is hill. Now some hills are town. There can be two conditions, hills and town like this, or plain, town and hill. There is an interaction here. So plain, town and hill. So no town is plain. So no town is plain is conclusion from here, and some towns are plain is conclusion for from here. So both of them can follow. In first condition, this case is following. In second condition, this case is following. That is why I am taking option D. How can month and second can coincide? No month is year and no year is second. So you can draw like this. Okay, one this case I'm leaving perhaps. 1 second. 1 second. Even if some towns are plain is not given, you can assume it to be in this condition. So there are two cases which to be formed. This is plain and this is hill and this is town. This is first case. And the second case is plain, town and hill. So this is second case. So that's why both of them will follow. Okay, month and year question. I'll look at it at the last. Solve question number 5. Some cities are town. Cities, and this is town. Now some villages are cities, can be in it can be two conditions. This condition can be, try to understand, this condition can be, so I can draw villages here. So at least, or I can draw something like this. So this is first condition, and this is second condition. Answer would be D. From first condition, this is the answer. From second condition, this is the answer. At least some villages are town, can be proved here. No village is a town, can be proved here. So this is the answer. Question number 6. No, it's same as the other question. Answer would be D. Both A and B follows. Let me solve question number 7. Question number 7 is, well, let me check how many of you have done question number. Oh, a lot of you have given me answer of question number 7. Question number 7 is something like this. Some kites are birds. So these are kites and these are birds. No kite is an aeroplane. Now aeroplane can be anywhere. So aeroplane can be here. This can be aeroplane, or this can be aeroplane. So you cannot say that all aeroplanes are birds. This is wrong. Some birds are definitely not kites. Is definitely true, because only some kites are birds. Otherwise it could have been written all kites are bird, or all birds are kites. So this is definitely true. So answer only is B here. Question number 8 and 9. Okay, solve it quickly. Question number 9, I'm getting a lot of answers. Question number 8, I've been getting a lot of answers. Okay, let me solve question number 8 and 9 for you. So, question number 8 is all metals are plastics. All metals are plastics. So, I'm sorry, set is plastic, metals are subsets. So, this is metal M and this is plastic. This is metal and this is plastic, and all plastics are fibers. So all plastics are fibers, so this is fiber. Now at least some fibers are metals is correct. Some metals are not fibers are not correct, because metal, circle of metal is inside the fiber. So metal, all the metal has to be fiber. So second one is not correct. So option is A over here. For question number 9, all roads are streets. So this is road. Then I have street. And if no street is highway, then I need to make highway separately from street. So this would be highway. And as road is completely inside street, there cannot be any combination of road and highway, because road is completely inside the street and highway don't have any combination. So when set does not have any combination with any other set, subset cannot have any combination with any other set. So all streets are roads is wrong, because only some part of a street is road. No highway is a road is correct. So 8 is A and 9 is A. That is the answer. 9D, those who are giving all streets are not roads. Road is a subset of street. So a portion of street is outside the circle of road. That is not part of road. So that is why 9D is not answer. 9A is answer. Okay, question number 10 and 11, I'm getting answers. I'll wait. A lot of people have not given answer. I'll wait. मुमकिन. Okay, question number 10 I am solving now. Some animals are plants. So, animal, and then I have plant. So, animal and plants. All plants are rocks. So now try to understand, all plants are rocks can have different condition. All plants are rocks can be like this can be rock, or it can be like this also. This can also be rock where both the circles are insides. So different scenarios are there. So answer would be all plants are animal is definitely wrong. Some animals are plant, all plants cannot be. At least some rocks are animal is definitely correct. So hence answer is B. Let me go to question number 11. Some highways are roads. Same question, highways and roads. And some roads are streets. So it can be something like this. So all highway being streets is a possibility, definitely. This is the condition in which all highways would be streets. So that is why I'm drawing it. Either this would be street or this would be street. So option A is definitely correct. Some streets are not highways. Always in this condition, when you draw a street like this, some streets would not be highways. So both A and B will follow. So this is the answer. So 11D is the answer. Okay, let me just go to another question. Question 12 and 13. Crayons. Okay, 12 answer I have got almost. Okay, question number 13 answer is coming out to be B for a lot of you, D also, a few of you. And question number 12, most of you are giving option C, few of you are giving option A. Let me check what is the correct answer and discuss it with you. So, question number 12, no train is, no cloud is rain. So something like this. No cloud is rain. So, this is cloud and this is rain. Now, some rains are thunders. One condition can be this, that some rains are thunders, or second condition can be this, that this is thunder. So I'm keeping it 1 2. There are two conditions. If you are taking condition 2, condition 1 should be avoided. If you are taking condition 1, condition 2 should be avoided. While taking the answer, both should be taken together. No thunder is cloud. In second condition, no thunder is cloud is uh, possible. Once again, no thunder. Once again, some rains are thunder. No cloud is, no cloud is rain. All thunders can never be rain. So can all thunders be rain? Mm, so this does not follow definitely. So this does not follow. All thunders can be rain. You put thunders over here. All thunders can be rain. In that condition, try to understand. Some rains are thunders can be written. It means that rain is a set and thunder can be subset, pure subset, or so it can be like this. I can write some rain or thunders like this. This is rain and this is thunder. So some rains are thunders. Or I can write like this. This is rain and this is thunder. So option B definitely follows. No thunder is cloud. It definitely does not follow. So this does not follow and this does not follow. So option is C. 12C is option. And let me go to question number 13. Some colors are paints. Some colors are paints. Some colors are paints. Color paint. And some colors are crayons. So I'm writing colors. So some colors are crayons. Crayons can be something like this. So this can be crayon or this can be crayon. So there are two conditions. So out of these two conditions, all crayons are paints. This is absolutely wrong. At least some paints are color. This is correct. So option 13 option is B. Sorry, question 13 option is B. So let me check, is there some noise on? So that is why some clouds can be thunder in second case. So no thunder is cloud does not follow. That is why I am saying neither A or B follows. Both A and B is the wrong answer. Question number 14 and 15. Kshitiz, why are you writing answers two times, three times? 14 answer people are giving D, 15 they are giving C. Okay, let me discuss it for you. Let me check how many questions are there. A lot of questions are there. Good. After this, I'll solve this. Okay, we have a lot of time. 14, 15 we are solving now. We'll finish off this sheet today. What's the answer? You are giving me an answer of which question we are solving? Question number 14 we are solving. All villages are districts. Okay, G, districts. So let me draw it for you. Village, and all villages are districts. So this is districts. So this is V, this is D. Now some districts are countries. Some districts are countries can be like this. It can be either like this or it can be like this in overlap with both of them. So this is condition 1, this is condition 2. At least some countries are districts. So at least some countries are districts is definitely correct. At least some districts are villages is also definitely correct. So answer would be D here. Question number 15. So question number 15 is some dogs are cats. So something like this. Dog, cat, and no cat is mouse. Now no cat is mouse can be like this. So mouse can be somewhere like this, or mouse can be somewhere like this. M1, M2. No mouse is dog is wrong. In this condition, mouse is dog. All cats are dogs is anyway wrong. So option is C. 15 answer is C. Solve question number. Now let's go to these questions. Solve. We'll solve these four questions and then we will come back to those type of questions. Solve question 22. Time and again I have been doing the same thing. All men are mortal. It means that men is sorry. Main is subset and mortal is set. So this is men and this is mortal. So option D is answer here. Solve question 23 and 24. Hmm. Okay, question number 23. I'm getting which answer? B answer. 24. A lot of people are giving me D answer. So all apples are red. All apples are red means option B is your answer. And no politician is honest. So no politician is honest means honest and politicians should not be any. So option D is correct. Should not be any overlap between politician and honest. Question number 25. 25. Some boys are intelligent. This is the answer. Option A. Boys are intelligent. Venn diagram. Two circles should have overlap over here. So option A is your answer. So let me again move back to which question we have solved till question number 15. So solve question 16 and 17. Okay, I'm getting 16 answers. Veda, why are you giving two answers always? 16A or B, something like this? Okay, so this question number 16 is very clear cut. And what is it? All volcanoes are. So this is all volcanoes are craters. So these are volcanoes and these are craters. Now no crater is a mountain. So try to understand when set does not have relationship with other set, the subset volcano will not have any relationship with mountain. So some volcanoes are mountains is definitely wrong. No mountain is a volcano is definitely right. So only option B follows. Now let me go to question number 17. Question number 17, some lines are circles. So some lines are circles means something like this. Some lines and circles. Line and circle. All circles are balls. So all circles are balls. We have done this kind of question. There would be two cases. So balls would be something like this, or it can be like this also. So these are balls, or these are balls b1 b2. So there can be one more condition. Some lines are circles, so we are not drawing that. Some lines are circle means this is line, this is circle, and this is ball. So third condition is this. So all balls being line is a possibility. What has been given? Some lines are circles. All circles are balls. So all circles are balls. So all balls being line is a possibility is correct. There is a possibility that some balls are neither lines. There is a possibility that some balls are neither lines nor circles. Is there a possibilities? Some balls are. There is a possibility that some balls are neither lines. Yes, in this third case, in this case b2, you look at here, this is the region which is neither line not circle. So this region I am talking about here, let me mark it red. This region, whatever element is present here is neither line nor circle, so B is also correct. So here answer is D. So I hope you understood this. So 17D is answer, not 17B. Question number 18 and 19. Question number 18 and 19. What is the answer? 18 answer is all kind of answers I'm getting. A I'm getting B, I'm getting D, I'm getting C. Good. Okay, I'll wait. अब अब कुछ अर्जेंट. Okay, in 19 also I'm getting 19 variations are less. C is there, B is there, D. So few are saying C, few are saying D. Okay, no issues. So 18. 18, let me make all cases. All cats are dogs. All cats are dogs. So cats, dogs, cats, dogs, and all cats are dogs means, and some dogs are elephants. So elephant can be here. Elephant can be here. Now all elephant being cat is a possibility. Is it a possibility? So try to understand. Some dogs are elephants. So it's something like this. So let me go from this statement. Some dogs are elephants. So I can assume this to be dog. And some dogs are elephant. I can assume this to be elephant. And all cats are dogs. All cats are dogs can be like this. So I can draw a circle like this also. No, 1 second. I'm doing wrong thing here. This will not be all cats are dog. Let me draw once again. Uh, all cats are dog. I read it in my mind as some cats are dog. I perhaps told it also. So all cats are dogs are like this. That's why I made that circle. This is cat and this is dog. So this one is cat and this one is dog. And some dogs are elephant. Some dogs are elephant has different connotations. One can be like this. So this will also say that some dogs are elephant. Some dogs are elephant means if I draw a line here of element or circle here of elephant, so this would be elephant. I can draw elephant here also. This is the third case. So elephant can be here also, elephant can be here also. 1, 2, 3 cases I have drawn. So all elephants being cat is a possibility. is correct. All elephant can never be dogs. This is wrong. I have drawn this second case. All elephants are dog. First case also all elephants are dog. So 18A is my answer. Question number 19. No post is a male. So no post is a male means post can be drawn here and male can be drawn here. So this is post and this is male. All males are letters. So all males are letters means something like this. So these are letters. Some posts are offices. So some posts are offices means it can be like this. There can be different cases now. So look at here. It can be like this. Some posts are offices. Or it can be like this. Or it can be third case where all three of them can be included. So some officers are letters. One second. Am I doing something wrong? No post is male. So I have drawn no post is male. And all males are letters. All males are letters. Now some posts are offices. If I draw something like this, a correlation. So some officers are posts and some officers are letter. Question number 19. Mm, no letter is a post is right. No letter is a post is right. And some officers are letter. Answer is D. Question number 19. So let me check what answer you guys have been giving. Answer is D. Answer D is correct. Now let me take question 20 and 21. Last two questions. Uh, Question 20 and 21. Yes, it is D. It is D. Question number 20 and 21. Last two questions quickly. Okay, I'm getting a lot of answers now. Let me finish it off quickly. Question number 20. All numbers are digits. So this is my number. This is my digit. Some digits are letters. So some digits are letters. So something like this, letters. And all letters are alphabets. So something like this. This is alphabets. Now, what does follow? All numbers, some digits are letters, so all numbers are alphabets. This cannot follow because alphabet has to be then involved in D, and that will contradict this statement. At least some alphabets are digits is definitely correct. So option B follows. Question number 21. All metals are plastics. So these are metals and these are plastics. All plastics are clothes. So this is like this. So this is clothes. And all clothes are threads. So these are threads. So all metals are threads, correct. All plastics are threads, correct. So option D follows here. Both A and B follows. So this is it for today. I hope you understood this syllogism. Try to do these things at home. If you're not getting it, get in touch with me within this week so that I can clarify your doubts, and then we can take these sessions forward. So thank you so much for joining all, and let's see you next week. Uh, Please keep on solving. There is no assumption here, Veda. It depends on what statement has been given. So you can't assume it. You have to statements have been given. Assumption is not possible over here. Is it okay? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.